Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Suhaimi. So, today I will present about the introduction of the Catalan bar and grill. So, George Martin is planning to open a new restaurant called the Catalan bar and grill, inspired by authentic Spanish cuisine such as paella, tapas, and grilled steak. Situated in a resort community along the North Carolina coast, the restaurant aims to offer a warm, family-friendly dining experience that highlight high-quality food and exceptional service. In a competitive industry filled with national chains and local eateries, Josh hopes to create a unique and responsible business that value customers, employees, and the community. Despite facing challenges such as high staff turnover, he plans to apply strong management practice, including the Baldrige criteria, to build a successful customer-focused and sustainable restaurant. So let's move on to the next part. So for the storyline, we have 5 points. The first one is introduction and vision. George Martin is planning to open a Spanish cuisine restaurant in a family-friendly setting along the North Carolina coast. The restaurant will serve signature dishes like paella and steak, aiming to stand out in a competitive market by offering the high-quality food, a unique menu, and excellent service. His vision is to center on profitability, responsibility, fostering a strong connection with the community while providing a welcoming dining experience that encourages the customer loyalty. The second one is the team building and workforce strategy. A key focus of Josh's business plan is building a team-oriented workforce. Employees will be trained to handle the customer requests independently, promoting efficiency and accountability. Josh also plans to support teamwork through the performance-based reward and bonuses for employees who help find the replacement when leaving for school. Weekly meetings also will be held to maintain open communication and encourage continuous improvement, while a flexible team structure will enhance smooth operation and customer satisfaction. So, for the third point is technology and operational efficiency. To improve efficiency, Josh will utilize advanced technology and industry best practice. He plans to implement an enterprise resource planning system along with a customer relationship management module to manage information, forecast demand, and streamline supply process. Wireless handheld device will speed up order processing and enhance communication by outsourcing tasks like accounting and legal service. The restaurant can focus more on its core operation. For the fourth point, community engagement and sustainability. Community engagement and sustainability are also important priorities. Josh intends to participate in programs like junior achievement and encourage eco-friendly practice such as proper grease disposal and recycling. He will also gather feedback from stakeholders including employees, customers, and suppliers to ensure that the restaurant operation align with their needs and values. This effort helps strengthen the restaurant reputation and its connection to the community. So, for the storyline, we have 5 points. The first one is introduction and vision. George Martin is planning to open a Spanish cuisine restaurant in a family-friendly setting along the North Carolina coast. The restaurant will serve signature dishes like paella and steak, aiming to stand out in a competitive market by offering the high-quality food, a unique menu, and excellent service. His vision is to center on profitability, responsibility, fostering a strong connection with the community while providing a welcoming dining experience that encourages the customer loyalty. The second one is the team building and workforce strategy. A key focus of Josh's business plan is building a team-oriented workforce. Employees will be trained to handle the customer requests independently, promoting efficiency and accountability. Josh also plans to support teamwork through the performance-based reward and bonuses for employees who help find the replacement when leaving for school. Weekly meetings also will be held to maintain open communication and encourage continuous improvement, while a flexible team structure will enhance smooth operation and customer satisfaction.
Now we will answer the question 1, which is how do these practice fit into the Baldrige criteria? In what category and item? So there are seven categories that I will explain. The first one is leadership. Under leadership, Josh set a clear direction for the restaurant through a strong vision statement that highlights values such as profitability, responsibility, customer focus, and employee sensitivity. He also demonstrates transparency by planning to post performance measure where both employee and customer can see them. Additionally, he includes community-focused initiatives like junior achievement and responsible waste management such as grease disposal and recycling. These actions show ethnical leadership and social responsibility. Next is strategy. In strategy, just focus on creating a competitive identity for the restaurant by designing a unique Spanish menu that stand out from competitors. He planned to use market research to understand the demographic of his customer base, which is crucial for targeting marketing and menu planning. He also seek advice from industry best practice and included multiple stakeholders such as employees, customers, suppliers, and investors in the planning process. On the deployment side, weekly shift meeting and periodic planning season help ensure that strategies are communicated and implemented effectively. Next is customers. Josh placed strong emphasis on understanding and engaging customer through comment card and CRM system. He gathered insights into customer preference and certification. Market research on age, ethnicity, lifestyle help him better understand who his customers are and what they actually want. He also focuses on customer engagement by training staff on relationship building and empowering employees to fix issues immediately without waiting for management approval. This can significantly improve the customer experience. Next is measurement and knowledge management. In the measurement and knowledge management category, Just uses technology to ensure accurate information flow throughout the business. ERP and CRM system help in forecasting demand, managing inventory, and capturing customer data. By displaying performance measurement, he encouraged transparency and continuous improvement. Knowledge sharing is supported through weekly shift meeting and the use of handheld wireless device that streamline communication between servers and the kitchen. Next is workforce. In workforce, Josh planned to create a supportive and engaging work environment. Recognizing that turnover is high in the restaurant industry, he introduced incentives like bonuses for employees who find their own replacement when they leave. He also built a collaborative culture by having a team-based role, rotating cleaning duties, and rewarding teamwork. Training and empowerment are central to his workforce strategy, ensuring staff members feel valued, confident, and capable of delivering excellent service. This ultimately reduces turnover and strengthen employee commitment. Next is operations. In operation management, Josh focuses on creating efficient and high quality processes, allowing employees to perform multiple customer service tasks, such as buzzer being allowed to take drink orders, reduce delays, and improve customer satisfaction. Technology such as handheld ordering device streamlines communication with the kitchen and reduce errors. Working with suppliers to reduce inventory costs and outsourcing accounting and legal service help improve operational efficiency. So the last category is result. Although the restaurant has not opened yet, all these practices are designed to produce strong long-term results. They aim to increase customer satisfaction, improve employee engagement, enhance service quality, reduce waste and cost, and ultimately support strong financial performance. This result will be measurable once the restaurant is operating. So, in conclusion, Josh's proposed practice align very well with the Baldrige criteria. He has a strong foundation in leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, workforce engagement, and operational efficiency. By following the Baldrige framework, Catalan Bar and Grille will be a better position to deliver high quality service, maintain employee certification, and achieve long-term business success. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Asif. So now we will move to the question 2, which are what aspects of the Beveridge criteria are lacking in Josh's plan for Catalan Bar and Grille. Okay, so now based on the Beveridge criteria, I will discuss the issues and also the suggestions for the first four criteria. Okay, the first criteria is leadership. The main issue is that Josh's plan does not explain leaders' active roles in shaping organizational culture, that ensuring ethical conduct or monitoring social responsibility. There is no clear ethics code or structure leadership involvement. So basically, the suggestion or to address this issue, the restaurant should develop an organizational ethics code and establish a clear leadership structure with regular engagement with staff and the local community. So that's the first criteria. So now we move to the next criteria, which is strategic planning. The issue here is that Josh's plan is operational and short-term. Okay, there is lack of SWOT analysis, benchmarking, and measurable 3 to 5 year strategic goals. So as a suggestion, Josh should conduct a competitor and market trend analysis to develop a long-term strategy and set strategic KPIs such as market share and customer retention rate. So that's for the second criteria. Okay, so now we move to the third one, which is customer focus. Okay, the issue here is that the plan relies only on passive feedback, mainly through comment cards, okay, which is there is no system to analyze customer complaints or to anticipate the future customer needs. So basically, to improve this, the restaurant should use digital platforms to monitor online reviews and also conduct monthly focus groups with regular customers. So that's the third one. So the fourth criteria is measurement, analysis, and also knowledge management. The issue right here is that there is no mention of what data will be collected, how it will be analyzed, and also how the knowledge will be shared within the organization. So basically, this makes the performance of monitoring will be difficult. Therefore, the restaurant should set up a key performance dashboard such as tracking staff turnover rate and food cost per dish and create a digital repository to share best practices. So that's all from me, and thank you.
Okay, for the fifth Borish criteria that are lacking is the workforce focus. So the issue here focus only on compensation and bonuses, but no program for skill development, job satisfaction, or work-life balance. The suggestion that we can do here is to develop mentorship programs and career pathways within the restaurant and conduct regular staff satisfaction surveys. For the sixth criteria that are lacking is process management. The issue here is no systematic framework for optimizing operational processes such as food preparation, table service, or inventory management. The suggestion that we can do here is to apply learned principles in kitchen and service operation to reduce waste and improve efficiency. All right. The last criteria is results. The issue here is no plan for reporting and evaluating overall performance across finance, customers, and workforce, nor comparison with industry benchmarks. The suggestion that we can do here is to create quarterly performer reports covering financial metrics, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement, and compare with restaurant industry data.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nahikal bin Shuhaimi, and today I will present it, which is for the third question. What are the things that he should be doing? So, the first point, to enhance customer feedback and engagement system. First, Josh should strengthen the customer feedback and engagement system by using the QR code service, digital feedback, and actively monitoring online reviews, because by doing this he can collect more accurate insights from the customer. So with a proper CRM database, all this information becomes easier to track, can help him to identify recurring issues and respond faster. So when customers feel heard and valued, their satisfaction will increase, and this leads to a stronger loyalty and repeat visits. So the second point is to develop a strong and consistent marketing strategy. Here, Josh needs a more consistent and strategic marketing approach, because this includes building a solid social media presence, collaborating with the influencers, and also to create seasonal promotions that match the resort environment. By using targeted ads and structured content, he can reach both tourists and local customers that more effective and consistent. So the third point is to continuously improve food quality and menu innovations. Here, he should also focus on continuous improvement in food quality and menu innovation also, because this will help updating the menu based on seasons or customer preferences, because this will help conducting how the food tasting session, which will help to maintain high standard of foods. So next to benchmarking, again the competitors can also guide the improvement, because a fresh, high quality and innovative menu will keep customer excited and encourages repeat business. Next, another key area is to strengthen employee culture, which Josh can introduce structured training, career progression, and recognition programs to keep the employees motivated. And also the team building activities and good communication is also essential, because this routine will create a positive working environment, because when the staff are confident and trained, the overall service quality will naturally improve. So the fifth point is to implement strong SOPs and food safety management, because by doing this, Josh can implement a strong SOPs and food safety practices, because this will provide a clear and well documented SOPs for both the kitchens and service area that will ensure consistent operations and reduce mistakes. This food safety certification like HACCP or Service Safe can further enhance the customer trust. By doing this will create a more reliable and professional restaurant environment. And the last but not least is to improve financial planning and sustainability strategy. Here, it includes controlling food costs, managing portion size, reducing waste, and ensuring proper cash flow management. These strategies will help maintain long-term stability and profitability. In conclusion, Catalan and Grille has already applied many key Baldrige principles, especially in the areas of leadership, customer service, and teamwork. Josh has also taken strong steps toward building a quality-driven that drive the restaurant by using the Baldrige framework as his guide. However, there are still several areas where the restaurant needs improvement, particularly in long-term strategic planning, performance measurement, workforce development, and operational consistency. By strengthening customer feedback system, improving marketing efforts, and also enhancing food quality, I believe the overall performance will be guaranteed. With this improvement in place, George will be better positioned to compete in the resort market and achieve long-term sustainable business success. Overall, the Baldrige framework provides a solid foundation for creating a competitive, customer-focused, and a sustainable restaurant.